Now, I'm going to show you how you can search for keywords in a document on the iPhone. So we're going to find the document at first. I have it stored in my Files app, and you likely do as well. So we can get inside like this and find the document. So it depends on what it is. As you can see, if I get info about it, this is the Pages document made with the Apple Pages app. So I can click on it to open it up within the Pages application. And in here, you can see we have the three dots for more options, and there is the Find option, Find button. This pulls up the keyboard as well as search field, and I can type in the keyword there, and it's going to find it within that document. So this is the case for the Pages document, but you might have like a different type, right? You can look up different documents. This one is Pages as well. But if you, for example, have a PDF file, right? So let me just locate a PDF like this one. You can see that it is indeed the PDF, and in there, if you have like a PDF document, you can as well open it on your device. You can see that in my case it moves over to a different app, to the Preview app, and in there, in the bottom right corner this time, we have the search icon. So you can see you can go there and as well look it up in a very similar manner. So you can type in the keywords or whatever else you have in mind that you want to look up, and that's how you can find it. So that's very simple. But my point is that different documents types might open up in a different apps, and those might have different ways to search for it, but it is generally the same. You should always find the search icon. But that's it for me. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos.